Fuel injection pumps are one of the most critical yet often overlooked components in diesel engines. The 4010173 fuel injection pump is designed to work with Cummins ISC 8.3, QSC 8.3, ISL 8.9, and ISC 8.9 engines, ensuring precise fuel delivery and optimal engine performance. While engines are often judged by horsepower or torque, their performance depends heavily on the consistency and accuracy of fuel delivery, which is where this pump comes in. This pump is engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications, providing durability and reliability under extreme operating conditions. Diesel engines are built for high pressures and long hours of operation, and any weakness in the fuel delivery system can lead to rough idling, poor acceleration, excessive smoke, or difficulty starting. By installing the 4010173 pump, engines regain stability, reduce emissions, and improve fuel efficiency. A standout feature of this pump is its wide compatibility. Cummins ISC 8.3, QSC 8.3, ISL 8.9, and ISC 8.9 engines each have unique fuel delivery requirements. This pump is designed to meet these requirements precisely, making it an ideal solution for a variety of applications, including trucks, buses, excavators, and industrial machinery. For operators managing multiple engines or fleets, this means fewer parts to stock and more reliability across different machines. Precision engineering is a core strength of this fuel injection pump. Diesel combustion depends on the exact timing and pressure of fuel delivery. Even minor deviations can lead to incomplete combustion, higher fuel consumption, and potential engine damage. The 4010173 pump ensures that the right amount of fuel reaches the combustion chamber at the perfect time, resulting in smoother operation, reduced engine noise, and consistent power output. Durability is another major advantage. The pump is constructed with high-quality materials and internal components built to resist wear from continuous high-pressure diesel operation. Diesel fuel, while a good lubricant, can also accelerate wear under certain conditions, so having a pump designed to withstand long-term stress is essential. This model offers longevity, meaning fewer replacements and reduced maintenance costs over time. Installation is straightforward for professional mechanics or anyone familiar with diesel engine systems. Designed to match OEM standards, this pump allows for direct replacement without modifications. Quick installation minimizes downtime, which is crucial in industries that rely on heavy machinery or transportation fleets. The ability to replace a failing pump efficiently ensures that operations remain smooth and schedules are maintained. Performance gains after installation are immediately noticeable. Engines that were previously struggling with inconsistent power, rough idling, or excessive black smoke regain stability and efficiency. Fuel consumption improves, and emissions are reduced due to more precise combustion. For fleet operators or equipment managers, these improvements translate into tangible cost savings and increased operational reliability. When compared with OEM parts, this pump offers exceptional value. While original Cummins pumps are reliable, they are often more expensive. High-quality replacements like the 4010173 provide similar performance and durability at a fraction of the cost. This makes it an ideal choice for operators seeking to maintain engine performance while keeping maintenance costs under control. The versatility of this pump is noteworthy. The ISC 8.3 and QSC 8.3 engines are commonly found in medium-duty trucks and buses, while the ISL 8.9 and ISC 8.9 engines power more heavy-duty industrial equipment and construction machinery. A single pump that can service multiple engine types simplifies maintenance planning, reduces inventory, and provides a dependable solution for a wide range of diesel applications. Downtime prevention is a key reason this pump is essential. Diesel engines are critical in industries like transportation, construction, and logistics, and a failing pump can halt operations entirely. With the 4010173 pump, engines can be restored quickly to full functionality, avoiding costly delays. Rapid availability and proven reliability make it an indispensable component for anyone maintaining Cummins-powered equipment. Precision and efficiency are also central to this pump's design. Diesel combustion relies on accurate timing, and even small